If you want to start cold outreaching, you need two things. First, cold outreaching tool, and the second that can verify your emails so you can land your copywriting every time in the inbox here. So in this video, I'm going to review and compare two email validators with the help of you can validate or verify emails before actually sending them. So hey guys, this is Basant here, and without wasting any more time, let me get started. So we have the two email validators. First one we have the MailVerify, and the second one, my favorite, is the Reoon email verifier. Both of the email validators you can find on the app Sumo with the lifetime deal here. So I will talk about and compare the pricing later. The first I want to compare their actual functioning, whether we are getting the any other different results in any of the platform here. So without wasting any more time, let me get started here. So this is the Reoon email validator, and here you can see we have the email verification function available. All we need to just upload the CSV file, or we can also add the individually emails, and after that start verifying here. Okay, then we have also the API integration or the access available. Okay, and this is the credit history you are going to see. And there's also the task and results. If you are getting the results of the email validation, you are going to see them here. Then let me compare it with the user interface of the MailVerify here. So in the MailVerify, again we have the similar features available, whether we want to verify the single emails or the bulk emails. But the different thing what I liked here, it has a lot of the integrations available. So in the integrations we have the reach inbox instantly, and MailVerify is built by the same company or the team who have built and running the reach inbox. So they have the really solid background developing this platform here. Okay, so now let me start comparing their actual usage and see what which platform gives us the different value or the results here. Okay, so let's get started with the Reoon email verifier. I am going to choose the file, the same file I am going to also export here on my the MailVerify platform here. Okay, so let me choose any of these ones. So you can see this is the list I got. So let me open and start verification. Okay, so you can see I have submitted all the emails here. Go to task and let's see. So right now it is running. It has the 20 people's email in this list I have just uploaded, and right now it is running, so it can take some time. So while it is running, okay, so let's also upload the same leads list in the MailVerify. Okay, I got the start getting the results here. Okay, so let me go to the MailVerify, go to the bulk verify section, and here let me click here on the get started. There's also the one more function I liked here on the MailVerify, is that we can also upload the CSV, but we can also integrate or link our Google Sheet. So we don't need to just export the Google Sheet then import here on the MailVerify. Okay, so right now I'm going to export the CSV file, and this is the list. Upload here. Click here on the upload and the verify list. I can also able to track the email section here, so it's automatically tracked here. Let me click here on the upload and verify leads, so it will start verifying the leads here. So let's, while it is verifying, you can see the process speed is really fast compared to the Reoon email verifier here. Okay, so right now I got the 18 out of 20. Okay, 20 out of 20 processed, and I got the 25 deliverable, 5 undeliverable, and 10% risk. So let me open this file here, and I got all these results here. So out of 20, there is only 13 emails are safe to send the emails using my cold outreaching tool. So this is what the power of email validator. Now let me compare with the Reoon email verifier. So I got the Reoon email verifier, and here I got the different results. In the Reoon I got the 9 safe, 4 role valid. Okay, so I got the more separated kind of the results in the Reoon email verifier, and that is what I liked most here in the Reoon verifier. Okay, because it is also suggesting me the 13. You can see 9 plus 4 is equal to 13 here, but it is also telling me that the 4 role based of the emails, like it can be CEO, it can be founder, it can be marketer, that kind of the thing. These emails we can also use this one. Okay, but what I suggest, go with the safest one here. But in the mail verify here, you can see I am not getting that kind of the separated results. I got the just 13, that is the combined here. okay, no worries, we got the good results here. At least I can say both of the tools are giving the good results here. But if you want more detailed report on the emails, okay, then you can go with the Reoon email verifier. But you want the fast results in your verification or the validations of the emails, I suggest go with the MailVerify. Plus we have also the more functions while uploading or connecting our email list here using the Google Maps here. Okay, plus I got the more good integrations here directly with the Reach Inbox. I personally use the Reach Inbox for the cold outreaching here. Okay, but right now Reach Inbox lifetime deal is ended, so what I suggest to go with the new Reply. This is the new tool that recently added on the app Sumo for the cold outreaching, and along with the emails that you can upload, you can also connect with the LinkedIn for the AI personalized emails and the outreaching here. Okay, so I suggest you can also check it out, new Reply here. So now let me compare the both of the tools lifetime deal pricing. Let's started with the MailVerify. Its pricing starting from the $69 here, and if I go to the plans and features, in which we are getting the 500 daily verification credits, means up to the 500 emails we can daily verify or the validate. Then we are also getting the bonus lifetime credit, means this is the 100k validation bonus we are also getting. Plus this is the some things that is not accessible, like the full API access and catch all email verification. So to access you have to go with the higher plans. So it has the up to tier 5, in which you can validate up to the 5,000 emails per day here. Okay, now let me compare with the Reoon. So its starting pricing is from the $79, while the MailVerify is the $69. It's 10% more expensive compared to the MailVerify, and the access we are getting the same 500 per day and the 100k bonus. Okay, then we are getting all of the features access. Okay, so that is also the good part here. So if you want to check it out, what I suggest, if you want more detailed and the extra access but the $10 extra expensive, you can go with the Reoon email verifier. This is my personally favorite, I am using from the long time. But you can also considering the MailVerify. Its tool is really good here. We have the good integration, we have the fast process of the email validation and the verification. So you can also consider buying the MailVerify. Plus there's also the $10 less expensive, is means you have to pay the less to get the all the values here. So that is the thing. Or if I go to the highest plans of the Reoon, okay, in the highest plan we can just validate the 4,500 emails here. Okay, so it's less 500. So what I suggest, you can go with the MailVerify. It's more valuable comparing to the pricing we are paying here. Both of the tools also offer the 60 days money back guarantee. So that's all for today's video. I want to compare the both of the email verification tools. Both of the tools I liked here. I personally use the Reoon email verifier, but as for the latest new one plus the trusted team, MailVerify is actually pretty good here. So both of the tools link will be given in the description. I have also given the link of the new Reply cold outreaching, and there's also the sales link. Okay, let me check if its lifetime deal is still available or not. Okay, so because it was ending, so yeah, its lifetime deal is also right now available, but will be the ending in the 5 days. So you can also consider sales link for the cold outreaching. So that's all for today's video, and if you want to check it out more cold outreaching videos, tutorials and the demos, you can consider watching on my YouTube channel here. Bye bye, take care, and I will see you in the next one.